In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play 16th notes, which are twice as fast as 8th notes. Let's play some 16th notes together on the A string. 1, 2, ready, go. So you've noticed they're quite fast. Again, twice as fast as 8th notes. Let's try a few different rhythms. Now we have 4 16th notes and 2 8th notes. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. So you'll notice that, again, here we use the index finger to give a slight accent to the first 8th note, or excuse me, to the first 16th note, just to give it a nice rhythmic impulse. Let's do that lesson again. 4 16th notes and 2 8th notes in a row. 1, 2. Excellent. Now let's do 2 8th notes and 4 16th notes again on the A string. 1, 2, ready, go. And 4 16th notes and 4 16th notes on the A string for a total of 8 16th notes. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. Now let's try to play the D major scale in this rhythmic pattern. 4 16th notes and 2 8th notes, followed by 4 16th notes and 2 8th notes. So the 4 16th notes and 2 8th notes will be played on the same note, and then we will proceed to the following note, starting with note D, and then the next note will be E, and so on and so forth. Let's start on open D, D major scale. 4 16th notes and 2 8th notes. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. Now let's play all 16th notes. So 2 16th notes per note, starting on D, followed by E, F sharp, and so on. 1, 2, ready, go. Shall we play that again? 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. Now you're ready for 1 16th note per note of the scale, starting on note D. 1, 2, ready, go. Shall we play that one more time? 1, 2, ready, go. And now for the most advanced step, let's slur 4 16th notes plus 4 16th notes plus 4 16th notes plus another 4 16th notes. So the D major scale ascending and descending. 1, 1, 2, ready, go. And one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. Now you can play really, really fast.